SEC 4-high AXI system. X-ray equipment consists of a detector, a manipulator, and an X-ray tube. Of the three, the X-ray tube is the most important part because it generates an X-ray. SEC is the one and only company to develop and sell hybrid open tubes, and we have a competitive edge. For 3D equipment, the world's best pulsed X-ray technique is applied. Existing X-ray equipment could damage the product with unnecessary exposure to X-ray. On the other hand, the hybrid open tube uses the collimator to allow only the necessary areas to be exposed to X-rays. It also minimizes damage with SEC-exclusive filtering technology. Since the time spent in X-ray exposure is usually prolonged during the 3D CT process, the collimator and filtering technology may not be enough. SEC can dramatically reduce X-ray exposure time by adding pulsed X-ray technology to the hybrid open tube and obtain high-quality images without sagging, even with ultra-fast CT scan. Hybrid open tube of SEC-produced open tube type allows users to replace its target and filaments. This makes it available for semi-permanent use. While the average open tube has a lifespan of about 300 to 500 hours, the hybrid tube can be used for up to 10,000 hours, thus relatively reducing maintenance costs. As shown in the following images, the smaller the focal spot size, the clearer the image is acquired. For hybrid open tube, it's the best in the AXI industry with a size of 0.8 micrometer for the focal spot. Also, the structure of transmitted type minimizes FOD. Minimized FOD enables high magnification. High-resolution images can be acquired from those two conditions. So, specialized for microbump inspections, inspections are available up to a minimum of 50 micrometers. 4-high AXI system ensures precise filming with a 9.6 megapixel high-resolution detector and a manipulator which is equipped with high-precision motors and has increased reliability with an anti-vibration. Representative models equipped with 4-high AXI system of SEC include XI 6200 for 2D inspection and XI 6300 for 3D inspection. The 4-high AXI system boasts a fast speed of 0.3 seconds for 2D inspections and 3.5 seconds for 3D inspections. The XI 6200 can inspect bonding wire, BGA, microbump, QFN, QFP, electronic components of automotive, and batteries. The XI 6300 can run tests like IGBT, BGA, microbump, QFN, QFP, electronic components of automotive, and sensor. 4-high AXI system and hybrid open tube are developed and manufactured by its own SEC technology.